I'm Jessica Davis with Rebuilders Xchange, and we create an economy around construction waste. I'm naturally a salvager, and I think I innately speak to the group of people who bring in material. So there's over 900 people who bring in material that they get from job sites, from one-off projects. And so the challenge I'm having is just getting my voice out there so that all of the people who want to know that we exist and don't know that we exist know that they have this awesome resource right in their neighborhood. Some of the biggest takeaways for me in the Impact program are, turns out I didn't know what I didn't know. And I've been able to work with my advisors in a very intimate way, which I was pretty frustrated at first because it's kind of like you're hearing things that you don't want to hear. And so, like, who wants to hear that? We've already established you don't want to hear it. And then knowing that the critique and the criticisms towards the improvement of your livelihood or your business, it's just so cool. So I really enjoyed my advisors going through this and having a little bit of a team. If Rebuilders Xchange was a household name, what it would mean is that there would be significant wealth in the construction, waste, and consumer industry, because it means that customers would be getting so much better valued materials, reused, would be reducing our local carbon footprint. People would be getting paid money for bringing in trash. There'd be less trash in the dumpsters. It's just like, it'd be like I'm seeing it like a eclipse, technicolor. It'd be amazing, is what it'd be like.